video because I'm the mic on. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Summer Shed School with me, Mr. Bates. It's Friday. Yeah. Is it going to be the hottest day in history? Probably. It's going to be baking today. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the Shed School. I hope you're ready for some super days. Super days? A super day. It's a super day because it's Friday. Yay! Awesome stuff. Good morning. Well, let's see who we've got in the shed today. Good morning to Carla. Good morning, Carla. Good morning to Ina and Kishan. Good morning in Bristol. Good morning to Sophia. Good morning. Good morning to Chloe K. Morning, Chloe K. Morning, Mohammed. Mohammed's here. Morning, Mohammed. Morning. We're back. My internet just crashed again. Sorry about that. I'm back. Can you see me alright? I'm back. Alright. Sorry. Alright, sorry. My computer's playing up today, so apologies if I disappear on you. I hope you can all see me now. YouTube, are you there? Yeah, you're there. Excellent connection. Of course it's an excellent connection now. Super. Who else have we got here today that I have missed? Good morning to... Tony, I've said that. Good morning to Erin. Good morning to Oliver. Good morning to, who else? Matilda's here. Good morning. Good morning to, Malu and Gurishka. Is that right? Gurishka? Good morning to Sophia in sunny Spain as well. And good morning. Oliver's lost another tooth. Oh my word. How are you losing so many teeth, dude? Like, that must be like 25 teeth he's lost. That's like so many. Well done though. Hope the tooth fairy comes. I'm sure she will. She's always very nice. Very good. She's very on it. Very on it. Right, well, it's Friday. It's the 7th of August. How is it the 7th of August already? It's like this month is flying by. Well, good morning. Apologies if my computer does go off again. Just stay on the video. I will get it to come back up. It should come back up quite easily. So apologies. The nature of live TV, isn't it? That's what happens when you're live streaming across the world, whether you're in Spain or Birmingham. It's everywhere. Right, Mr. Bates, stop talking. Let's get talking. Let's get going. Ready? Let's get going for today's lesson. Awesome. Brilliant. Whoa. It's one of those days. You can tell it's Friday, can't you? You can tell it's Friday. Right. Coming up in today's... Oh, there's stuff falling everywhere. Mr. Bates, come on. Goodness me, there's stuff literally falling everywhere. Coming up in today's show, we have some super spellings. It's our last day today on those Super 16. Okay, next week we're going to be moving on to doing some more of those lovely spellings. So the last chance to get these ones right this week. Obviously, it's not last chance ever. You can do them again in the future, don't worry. But anyway, some terrific times tables too. 3 times tables today. Last day on the 3 times tables. Let's see if we can be counting up and back confidently. I know I need to practice those. Mighty Maths. Today in Mighty Maths we are going to be doing some problem solving with capacity. Okay, so we're going to be answering some questions about area, about litres and millilitres, and what's the other one we looked at? Oh, grams and kilograms, wasn't it? Fantastic. Right. What else do we need to be doing today? Of course, we've got some exciting English. Yesterday we looked at antonyms. And today we looked at synonyms. Can you remember what the difference was between the two of them? We'll find out. And, of course, we've got some fantastic phonics as well. We've got a lovely new sound. Big thanks to our partners, Twinkle, www.twinkle.co.uk. Do check them out, mums and dads. Lovely stuff. And Whiterose Maths, www.whiterosemeths.com. Awesome. Good morning to Arthur. Arthur's here, ready to learn. Chloe, do we do riddles? We're not doing any riddles today. I'm really sorry. I need to do some new riddles, actually. I think we should do some in the future. And I think, post-summer, we're going to be doing something very exciting, but I'll talk to you about that a little bit later on. Perfect. Let's get started then. Let's do a little bit of some super spellings to warm up our minds and our brains and our tanks. Oh yeah, let's do some super spellings to warm ourselves up. Let's get going with some spellings. Now remember, Try your best, okay? Give them a go, see how you get on, okay? All you can do is try your best, and it doesn't matter if you make a mistake, okay? Just try and spell all 16 if you can, okay? You ready? Okay, first one on your whiteboard. Ready. First word, number 1, is the word one. One. Oh, by the way, just in case I've forgotten to tell you, if you did do your spellings yesterday and you've got them in front of you, turn them over, move them out of the way. That way you can't look at them, you can't cheat. I'm going to try and remember how to spell them, okay? So the first one is one. One. One day more. Another day, another destiny. Les Mis. Or Lincoln Panther. Either one. Next one. Them. Number 2 is them. Them over there. Oh, I like to hang around with them. Oh, them. Them. Okay, them. Next one, number 3, do. Do. Do we have enough sweets for the Halloween party? I hope so. Wish it was Halloween. I like Halloween. Do. That's number 3. Do. Okay. Number 4. Me. Me. Me, myself, and I. Me. Okay. Do let me know if I'm going a bit quick, but I'm trying to go a little bit quicker today because we should be really familiar with these spellings now. Okay. Next one, number 5, down. Down. Down, down, down in the deep blue sea. Down. Don't sing. Sorry, I'll stop singing. Sorry. It's awful, isn't it? Down. Next one. Dad. Number 6, Dad. Dad, can I please have another bagel? I love bagels. That's number 6, Dad. Number 7, big. Big. What a big head that dog had. Big. Okay, big. Next one. When. When. When I fall in love. I've done it again, sorry. Sorry, sing it again. Sorry. It's because it's Friday. Sorry. One. That one's 1. Okay? That's 1. The next one. Number 9. It's. Oh, sorry. It's. Number 9 is it's. That it is abbreviated with that apostrophe in there. It's. Okay. Number 10. See. See. I can see you. Ooh, I can see you. Ooh, I can see. Oh, right, sorry, stop that. See, number 11 is looked. I looked out the window and saw an alien. That would be cool. I'd love to see an alien. Hello, Mr. Alien. How are you?
I'm okay. Come on board my spaceship.
Oh, great. Thanks. Where should we go?
Thames Ditton.
Okay. That's looked, number 11. Number 12 is very. Very. It was a very large party. I've got parties on my brain. It's because it's Friday. So you can tell. Beginning of the week, food. End of the week, parties. Magic parties. Ooh. That was number 12. Very. Number 13 is look. Look. Look here, you. Oh, I'm not having any more of this messing around, Mr. Monkey. That was a dog, that wasn't a monkey. And 13, look. Oh, good. Number 14 is don't. Don't. Don't do that. Oh, don't put that in your ear.
What? I don't know what you're talking about.
Don't. It's an abbreviation of do not, isn't it? Do not. Don't. Two more. Two more. Number 15 is come. Come.
Come here, boy. I have a present for you. For my name is Roger Moore. 007, James Bond.
It's not a very good impression of Roger Moore. That's number 15. Come. And last but not least, number 16. Will. Will we go to the beach today? I hope so. It's going to be a scorcher. Will. Okay, let me run through those one final time. Well done, everybody, for keeping up with those. Brilliant stuff. I'm going to go through them slowly. So number 1 was one. Number 2 was them. Number 3, do. 4, me. 5, down. 6, dad. 7, big. 8, when. 9, it's. 10, see. 11, looked. 12, very. 13, look. 14, don't. 15, come. And 16, will. All good? Excellent! You guys are awesome. You are really cool and awesome. Okay, brilliant. Let's go through them then. Let's see how many got them right. Remember, if you did get it right, give it a tick. If you got it wrong, doesn't matter. Draw a line underneath it and write out the correct spelling next to it. That way, you can re-look over this piece of paper today and look over those spellings. Okay, make sure you get those learned. Best way of doing it is just by going back over them, okay? That's why we've been doing the spellings every single day, man. Every day. I can't see without my glasses. Oh. So, our first one is one. Remember, give it a tick if you got it right. One. Them. Do.
Me. Down.
Dad. Big. When. It's. See. Looked. Very. Look.
Don't.
Come. Will. And that's your lot. Fantastic! Have a little look over them, guys. How many did you get out of 16? One, them, do, me, down, dad, big, when, it's, see, look, very, look, don't, come, will. How did you get on? Let me know in the comments box how many you got out of 16, okay? Be honest. If you did get one wrong, like I said, it doesn't matter. It is good to make mistakes, okay? It is the only way that we learn, okay? Us as adults make lots of mistakes. But what we do well, and what children do particularly well, is we learn from those mistakes. Okay? Brilliant! Summer got 16, Sophia got 16. Lovely stuff. Well done, everybody. Give yourself a big, fat marshmallow clap. Awesome. I'm very distracted because there's a little tiny spider on my camera. Can you see him there? He's so tiny. Hey, buddy. No! No! Don't go. Go back on the camera. You can sit up there. I got a new cameraman. He's the little spider cameraman. Arthur, I don't believe you got 0 out of 16. No. Oh, I got 0. I got none of them right. Oh, no. I like that. Right, well done, guys. Big marshmallow clap. Awesome stuff. Well done, Oliver. Well done, everybody. Lovely. Let's keep going. Let's get crack-a-lacking with today's lessons then. And we're going to keep going for a little bit of times tables.
Terrific times tables.
Awesome. Terrific times tables. And this week, we've been looking at the lovely, yet slightly harder times table. That is the 3 times tables, okay? The 3 times tables. My brain is going bonkers, but I got 16 out of 16. Chloe, you are bonkers. Bonkers. Just like me. So, this time, well, we're doing the 3 times table, aren't we? Okay, you ready? We need to count up. 3 times table, we need to count up in threes until we get to 30. Let's do this together. Let's do it out loud. Okay, you ready? Okay, do it with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Yeah! Did he get it right? Did he get it right? I'm getting better at that. I feel like I'm getting better at that. It's tricky though. Now it's for the hard bit, okay? Now the real tricky licky bit. Let's go backwards, okay? Whoa! Hang on a minute. Mr. PowerPoint, you're going crazy today. You crazy head. Okay, let's go backwards. You ready? From 30 down to 0. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Yes! I get it! I did it without stopping! Yes! Marshmallow clap! I feel like I got one wrong. But I didn't. 36. Brilliant. Did you manage it? Oh, I'm so happy with that. I'm so happy. All week I've struggled with going backwards in my threes, and I got that today. Yes! Yeah! Good Friday! Yeah! It's Good Friday. Awesome. Well done. Well done if you did that at home as well. Brilliant stuff. Right, let's have a little look at the 3 times table then. 1 times 3. 3, there was 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 20, 30, 33 and 36. Okay, we're timesing in threes, aren't we? A few things we can always remember. Those little facts that are always good to store in our brain tank, to keep them in our brains and in our heads. Counting in groups of 3, really important. Getting used to counting in threes. It is tricky, okay? But like counting in 2s, as soon as you've got it in your head, you've got it for life, okay? Right, counting in 3s. What else do we know? We also know that the total is all we're doing is adding 3 each time, isn't it? And multiplication is adding the number against each other. 3 times 3 times 3. All we're doing is 3 add 3. Add another 3, okay? No, that's wrong. 3 times 3 is the same as 3 add 3 add 3. That's right. There we go. And of course, our answers are mixed, aren't they? They're going to be odd. They're going to be even numbers. There isn't a set pattern there, apart from the triangular numbers that are 3, 6, 9, 12, and then they got triangular in 3s. It means, but then there's not a set pattern like there is in the 2s or like there is in the 5s. You know, I couldn't do it. Hey, you know what? It doesn't matter if we can't do it. Because all it matters is if we practice and try, okay? Brilliant. It's brilliant that you had to go. It is really, really hard to do it, okay? So just keep practicing. Counting in 3s, just keep practicing. Right, your turn then, guys, your turn. So on your piece of paper, on your whiteboard, I would like you to write the following calculations. Okay, remember, give them a go. If you're not too sure how to do it, you can always draw them out. So, for example, 3 times 6. Well, there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 lots of 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 lots of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. 4 lots of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots. 1, 2, 3. There's 6 lots. Count them all up. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm going to give you that one. 18. 18, fantastic. Oh, Sophia's having pancakes whilst doing times tables. That's awesome. I wish I was doing having pancakes. Oh god, well, I need to just get some pancakes from somewhere. Anyway, that's your first one. 6 times 3. Next one. 1 times 3. It's the tricky one. 1 times 3. 1 lot of 3. 1 lot of 3. Okay. Remember that 1 times the amount. How many is that going to be? 1 times 3. Well, I've got 1, 2, 3. That's one group of 3. How many? Oh, how many have I got in total? 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I wrote that. I didn't need to give you the answer to 1 times 3. I'm sure you know it already. Anyway, next one. 4 times 3. 4 times 3.
4 lots of 3. 4 lots of 3, please. Could you do 4 lots of 3, please?
3 6, 9. What's next? Next one, 8 times 3. Remember, do let me know if I'm going too fast. Do let me know if I'm going too slow. Uh-oh. Mr. Bates made a mess on his nice clean t-shirt. Oh no. Put coffee down me. Look. Made a right mess. Such a messy pup. 10 times 3. Your next one then, please. It's Friday. It's Friday. Doesn't matter, it's Friday. 10 times 3. Thinking that 10 times table. 10 times 3. Not 10 3 times or 3 lots of 10. Okay, next one. 5 times 3. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 equals 53. What was that? Doesn't equal 53, does it? Because that would be adding the numbers together and that would be crazy. 5 times 3. Okay, next one. 7 times 3. 7 times 3. 7 times 3. 3 times 7. 7 and another 7 and another 7. Yeah. Okay. Next one. 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Remember, count in those threes. If you're not sure, just keep trying. Keep practicing counting in threes. 3, 6, 12, 15. See, you thought I was going to say it. 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. I just need to keep practicing that. 30, 27, 25. 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9. No, yeah, 9, 6, 3. See, even me, I'm getting mistakes. I need to practice. Okay, next one. 2 times 3. 2 times 3. 2 lots of 3. One lot would be 3, and then another lot would be how many? Okay, well done, guys. You're doing a fantastic job today.
Very, very impressed. You're doing lovely. Doing lovely work, is.
Next one, 9 times 3. 9 times 3. Remember, the reason why we're going over these is repetition is key, isn't it? This summer school has been designed to get you up to scratch, ready to go back to school in September. That's why we're going over things every day. It's the best way to do things is repetition. We're going over our multiplications. We're going over our, particularly our spellings as well. They are going to put you in such a great position when you go back into school in September. You're going to know so much more than anybody else who hasn't been attending this summer school, I promise you, because we've just covered so much. Okay, that's all of our multiplications for today. So we've got 6 times 3, 1 times 3, 4 times 3, 8 times 3, 10 times 3, 5 times 3, 7 times 3, 3 times 3, 2 times 3, and 9 times 3. I'm going to give you 30 seconds just to finish off any of these calculations you are doing, and then we're going to go through and mark them. We're going to mark them with a pen or a pencil. Pen or a pencil. Remember, if you did get it wrong, it does not matter. I say it every day. It really doesn't matter. Making mistakes is good, because they're the ones that we learn from. That's how you learn, okay? Making mistakes. I know when I first started roller skating, for instance, when I first put a pair of roller skates on, I made mistakes. I fell over, okay? But I kept going and I kept practicing and practicing and practicing, and now I love going on roller skates, and I can do it confidently, and I'm 32 and I probably shouldn't be on roller skates, but I can still do it, and I will happily go on roller skates. But that's because I've practiced. If you don't practice and I don't make mistakes, then you won't achieve anything, really, will you? Right, let's go through them. Okay, so 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 8 times 3, 24. 10 times 3 is 30. 5 times 3 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And of course, last but not least, 9 times 3 is 27. Fantastic work. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Awesome. You guys are great. You're doing so well. I'm just so proud. I'm so proud of all of you. Every single one of you. Yeah, you. Right, let me know how many you got out of 10 today. Did you get 10 out of 10? If you got 1 or 2 wrong, which ones did you get wrong? Doesn't matter. But promise me, this weekend, practice counting in threes. It will get easier the more that you do it. Honestly. Okay, hooray, huzzah, huzzah, huzzah. Right, next one today, then we're going to keep this ball rolling. We're going to do a little bit of mighty maths. Mighty maths, mighty maths, mighty maths.
Mighty Maths.
Ooh, yeah, mighty maths time. Perfecto. Right, we're going to do some mighty maths. Now is the perfect time to take a little sip of your drink if you've got one. Delicious cold coffee. I got some coffee back, so it's all good, but it's cold as per usual. Right, so this week we have been looking at a thing in maths called capacity. And today we are going to be doing some problems. We're going to be solving some capacity-based problems. Now, we looked at our liquids and millilitres to litres. Can you remember how many millilitres are in a litre? It's 1,000. Well done if you remembered. 1,000 millilitres in a litre. We looked at kilograms to grams. How many grams are in a kilogram? Can you remember how many grams are in a kilogram? It's 1,000. Well done. Brilliant. And yesterday we looked at area and how we can work out an area of a shape by working out how many kind of squares fit inside it, working out the number of space inside, of centimetres squared. Right. So this week we've been looking at capacity, millilitres measuring liquid. Grams, kilograms, obviously, of course, they're for measuring weight, a weight of something. And area, that other new word that we've looked at, which is measuring the inside of a shape. It doesn't always have to be the inside of a shape. If you wanted to work out the area of inside the shed, you can work that out as well. Like I said, we're not going to go into that area. It's kind of like year 4 work, year 5 work. It's probably a little bit advanced, but we've got that basic understanding now. So when it comes along and when you need to do it, bingo, you've already got it in your head. Right, we're going to do some problem solving today. So we're going to work through these problems together. I think I've got 3 questions. We're going to work through them together. If you want to use your whiteboard or your piece of paper to write out your answers, please feel free, okay? We're going to go through these together. Okay, it says, problem solving session, which is heavier, the red or the green beanbag? Explain why. Okay, let's think about this. Which is heavier, the red or the green beanbag? How are we going to work this out? Well, let's have a look at the pictures. So the first picture, it's got 2 scales, isn't it? One on the left-hand side, one on the right-hand side. The left-hand side scale has got 2 green beanbags and 1 red green bag. And it's saying it weighs 30, whatever that is. It's probably going to be 30 grams, isn't it? Yeah, because that's what we weigh things in. 30 grams, okay? And the red one on the other side, we've got 2 red bean bags and they weigh 30 grams. Oh, they're the same. Hey, look at that, they're both the same. So they both weigh exactly the same. So the 2 red and the 2 green and a red weigh exactly the same. Now, the question is saying which is heavier, the green or the red bean bags? Well, when we do problem solving, we need to work out our totals, don't we? We need to work out what the beanbag actually weighs. So I'm going to look at the red ones first. I don't know what you think at home, but I can see there's 2 red ones there that weigh 30, and for me I instantly think, hey, 2, well that's a pair. 2, well that's double, isn't it? If it's double, it means it actually can be halved, which would then give me the value of what 1 red beanbag would be. So let's think about this. So our first beanbag, our red one's there. What would half of 30 be? If I've got 30 and I need to half it or divide it by 2, what would that be? Which one is, what's that going to be? 30 divided by 2. If I had 30 things divided by 2, Or shared between two things? Well, I could pair them off, couldn't I? 1, 2, 3 until I've got 30. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to break this down to a little bit smaller. 10, a 10 and a 10, yeah? 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. Okay, I'm just breaking it down to make it a little bit easier for myself. 10 divided by 2, well that's easy, isn't it? What two numbers make up 10? 5. So that means they're all going to be 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Brilliant, 15, well done. So those people getting 15 at home. So, the red beanbag is going to weigh...
Oopsie, go away.
The red beanbag is going to weigh 15, isn't it? 15. Because that's half of 30. So red is going to equal 15. I'm going to put 15 grams because I think that's weighing in grams. Okay, so that's good. So we know that the red one weighs 15. Okay, and now we need to work out how much the green one's going to weigh. Okay, we need to find out what the green one's going to weigh. Well, how are we going to do that? Well, the only thing we know so far is the red beanbag weighs 15 grams. So let's look at that left-hand side scale, the one with the two green ones and the red. Why don't we, to start with, I don't know what you think, but why don't we take away the 15? Because we could take away one of those red bags, couldn't we? So we could take away the one red bag and leave the two greens, and then that would tell us how much the two greens weigh. Let's do that. So 30 take away 15 is going to give us an answer of what? 30 take away 15? Oh, hang on a minute. I already know that, don't I? Because I know what half of 30 is, because I just had to do that. And half of 30 is 15. So 30 take away 15 is going to be 15. Okay. So we now know that the two green beanbags weigh 15. They weigh 15. So what's one green bag going to weigh? One green beanbag. If two of them weigh 15, we need to find out what 15 divided by 2 is. Now that is quite tricky to do. Why is that tricky to do? 15 is an odd number, isn't it? We can't share an odd number equally. So we need to think about how we can share 15 equally. Well, we could share we're going to go down one. We could share 14 equally, couldn't we? 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 1 divided by 2 actually gives you a half. Or 0.5. So, 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. Brilliant! So we now know that the green beanbag weighs 7.5. Or 7.5. Awesome! Green, whoopsie. Green equals 7.5 grams. Cool! Now the question is saying, which is heavier? Is it the red one or the green beanbag? So which is heavier? Of course, it's the red beanbag, of course, because they weigh 15 grams each. Hey, brilliant stuff, guys. Well done, well done. Big marshmallow clap. Awesome. Now that was quite tricky because there's quite a few bits and pieces to do, but let's have a little look at what we've got here. So the red beanbag weighs more because it weighs the same as 2 of the green beanbags. Could you see that? That actually weighs the same as 2 of the green beanbags. So actually, we didn't really need to do all those calculations, did we? We could have just said, actually, the beanbags, the red ones are heavier because there's 2 of them, and actually there's more of the other ones. Perfect. Mr. Bates went too deep into that question. Never mind, and well done if you kept up. Right, let's have a little look at this next one. Look at this next question. It says the following. So it says the problem solving session. So we've got a can of beans. How much do they weigh? And then we've got some beans and a pineapple. How much do they weigh? Now, I would like you to write out this question as it is at the bottom there. So the beans weighs how many grams? And the pineapple weighs how many grams? Okay? I would like you to have a go at this on your own. I think you're all able to read scales now. I'm pretty sure you guys got this one. Give it a go. How much do the beans weigh? How much do the pineapple weigh? I'm going to give you 1 minute. Okay? Oh, done already. Oh, that was quick. Off you go. 1 minute, off you go. 1 minute. I would put my music on, but my music's 2 minutes. And I don't want to give you 2 minutes. Okay, the beans weighs what? And the pineapple weighs what? I'm going to put beans up here just in case you want the spelling. Whoopsie. Oh, silly pen. What are you doing, you crazy penhead? Okay, the beans. Cool, well done, Sophia, well done. Well done, guys. Brilliant stuff. The beans weighs something grams. And the pineapple weighs, funny word that, weighs, isn't it? Weighs something grams. Okay, right, let's have a little look at this one. Full stop at the end. Okay, so the beans weigh something grams and the pineapple weighs something grams. Okay, well, that first scale is telling us how much the beans weighs, doesn't it? The beans on its own, so it must be telling us how much it weighs. How much do the beans weigh? How much have you got at home? Well, of course, the arrow is pointing at the 25, which must mean it's 25 grams, isn't it? Because it's got the G there. It said it's going to be in grams. The beans weighs 25 grams. Oh, lots of zzz. Perfect. And the pineapple weighs how much? Okay, well, actually, we don't know exactly how much the pineapple's going to weigh, but we do know that the beans weigh 25. So, looking at the scales with the pineapple and the beans on, the arrow, the scale is showing us that it's on 55. What could we do to 55 that would give us the remaining answer that is the pineapple's weight? I'll say that again. What could we do to 55 that would leave us the remaining weight for the pineapple? Well, we could take away the weight of the beans, couldn't we? Because they're both there. Why don't we take away the weight of the beans, and that would leave us what the pineapple weighs. So, 55, take away 25. What's that going to give us? 55 take away 25. Okay, well, I'm going to break that one down a little bit further. 5 take away 5 is 0. So that's my unit sorted. And 5 or 50 take away 20. 50 take away 20, counting back 50, 40, 30. 30 grams. 30, 50, 50. Perfect. So the pineapple weighs a total of 30 grams. Awesome. Did you get that right at home? Let's have a little look if we're right. The tin of beans weighs 25 grams and the pineapple weighs 30 grams. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Brilliant. Well done. Well done. Hey, with any of these problem solving, it's about looking at it and working out an answer. Using the knowledge that you know and the stuff that we've learned over this week will really help you manipulate a question and be able to get a lovely, lovely, juicy answer. A lovely, juicy answer, man. My whiteboard is not doing well today. What are you doing, whiteboard head? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right, next one. I think I've got one more problem for us. One more. Okay, now this is a capacity question, and we're working in things in litres and millilitres, which means we must be dealing with liquid, because that's what we do with millilitres and litres, how we measure it. So it says the teaspoon or tablespoon, I suppose, or just the spoon, holds 5 millilitres of liquid. Okay, it holds 5 millilitres of liquid. How many spoons of liquid are there in each container? Okay, we're going to need to know one of our times tables for this, I think. Okay, a spoon holds 5 millilitres of water. How many spoons of liquid are there in each container? So imagine there is a container and I've got a spoon. Hey, I've got a spoon here. And I have put 5 ml of water in each one, but I've continued to keep putting 5 and 5 and 5 all the way up until the total. So can you see A is up to 60 and B is up to 80. And the question's asking us, how many spoons of liquid are there in each container? I'm going to give you 2 minutes and then we're going to go through the answer. Okay, you ready? 2 minutes, give this a go. Think about our millilitres and counting up in a number, counting up in fives, okay, until you get to the total. Ready? I've given you too much information. You ready? 2 minutes, off you go! Keep going, guys. You're doing a fantastic job. Brilliant, well done guys, well done, super sauce. Right, let's have a little look, go through these ones then. So, a spoon holds 5 ml of liquid. How many spoons of liquid are there in each container? All right, so let's look at the A to start with. So it's going to be going up in fives, isn't it? Imagine putting one in, there's 5 on each. So 5, 10, 15, 20. That's how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going up to 60, aren't we? Hang on, let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So how many has that gone up? Well, 1, 2, that'll be 10. 3, 4, that's 20. 5, 6, that's 30. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 spoonfuls. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 12 spoons. Now, how about the next one? That's going all the way up to 80. Oh my goodness. Right, in fives again, we need to count up, don't we? Because we're adding 5 each time. And we need to work out how many 5s there are. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. How many 5s are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's 10. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. That is a total of 16 spoonfuls. 16 spoonfuls would take us to 80. Well done. Did you get that right, guys? Let's have a little look, check we've got it right. Yay! Containers A holds 12 teaspoons. Ouch, teaspoons. And container B holds 16 teaspoons. Well done. Excellent stuff that, guys. Again, really tricky problem solving. Mr. Spider, stop making a mess. Tricky problem solving that. Using those skills like our 5 times tables with these things will really help us and get us to the correct answer nice and quickly. Well done. Excellent stuff. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Awesome, guys. Well done. Right. We are quarter 2. We are going to do a little bit of English now. Okay, a little bit of English. And we got a bit of phonics.
English!
I do love English. I love English. Right, we're going to do a little bit of English now. Okay, so this week we have been looking at synonyms. Synonyms, we looked at antonyms yesterday. Antonyms and homophones, that same sound. Homonyms, same name. Today we're looking at synonyms. So, the synonym means word with the same meaning. Now, we touched upon this yesterday. Do you remember antonyms? Antonyms. Antonyms. Nyms means names. Antonyms means the opposite. Hot, cold, on, off. And that's an antonym because it's the opposite meaning to the word, okay? A synonym is the same name. Syny means same, basically. Synonym. Okay, so synonym is a word. It's not synonym. A synonym is a word that has the same or near the same meaning to another word. All right. What does that mean then? Let's have a little look. So things like this. So synonyms of wonderful are words like amazing, incredible, fantastic, unbelievable, astonishing. These are words that are the same meaning. Okay, unlike an antonym, which means the opposite. So if you were describing wonderful, but you wanted an antonym for wonderful, that would be something like awful, or dreadful, or nasty, or horrendous. That means the total opposite to what that word means. Okay, it's antonym. Synonyms the same, antonyms the opposite. Okay, let's come up with a few words then. Okay, I would like you to kind of have a little think. Please use the comments box on Facebook if you are watching on there, and we're going to come up with a few words. Okay. Words that mean the same as happy. Can you think of any words that mean the same as happy? Happy. Can you think of any words that mean the same as happy? I'm going to get rid of mine, I think. Any words that mean the same as happy? Joyful. Joyful. What other words mean the same as happy? We could have... I'm happy. I'm excited. Yeah, that works. I'm excited. What else could we have? We could also have I feel happy. Happy, excited, joyful. I feel yay! Cheerful. Cheerful. I wonder what words you can come up with at home. Have a little think. What other words do you know for happy? Glad, excited. I love those. Well done, guys. Love that. Glad, excited. These are all really good synonyms of the word happy. It means it's the same type of words. Okay, the same type. How about the next one? How about this one? Delighted, lovely. Excited, elated. That's a good one. Well done, lovely. How about this one? Sad. Can you think of any words that mean the same as sad? Upset. Yeah, that's quite a good one. Or if I'm really sad and I want to think about the same words, glum. That's a good word. You could say down in the dumps, but that's a saying, really. You kind of just want an actual synonym. So something that's like, oh, I just feel really blue. I just feel really blue today. Sorrow. Yeah, I feel a lot of sorrow today. Yeah, I feel a lot of... You could feel depressed. Depressed is a good one. Yeah, depressed. I feel depressed. Oh, depressed. Oh, I'm not pressed. Hey, I'm depressed. I feel... What other words? Sad's not a nice one to think about. I feel mournful. Oh, that's a lovely word. Well done. I feel mournful. Yeah. Oh, just mourning. Oh, it's really horrid that. Not as in mourning as in... Oh, I love to get up in the morning. It's mournful. It means to be really sad. Down, lovely, upset, lonely, unhappy. Brilliant, well done. Crying, soulful. Now, crying's not one, unfortunately, because that's the doing of it. But to be sad, you could then be, you could feel despair. Yeah. Well done. Super. Next one then, guys. We're just having to think about these at the moment. And I'm going to go through. How about this? Angry. What other synonyms can we have for angry? Instead of using angry, we could use something else. I'm so cross. Oh, yeah. I'm so mad. I'm so enraged. Yeah. I'm so hot. No, it doesn't work that. I'm so crazy. No, because that doesn't imply that I'm angry, does it? I'm just so... Gah! Hard one to describe, isn't it? Anger. Mad, crazy, it's quite a tricky one. Wonder what is you're coming up with at home? Raging, there we go, that's a nice one. Annoyed, yeah, angry, annoyed, furious. I love that, Gail and Oliver, well done. Fuming, well done, Sophia. I'm fuming. I am fuming. These are all words that we can put in our writing, okay? Why use the word angry when you can use the word furious? The boy was angry. Okay? The boy was furious Brilliant. That makes so much more exciting, isn't it, as a sentence? Okay, next one. Okay, here's your little task. I thought there was one more, but there's not. Here's your little task. I'm going to put some music on. But you are going to rewrite the sentence below using a range of exciting synonyms, okay? So all the words that I have underlined, you can change for a more exciting synonym. What does that mean? Well, let's look at that first line. We went to a cold beach and I had a nice time, okay? Me as a teacher, Mr. Bates, I don't like the word nice. It's really boring, okay? There are so many more exciting words to use than nice. I wonder what words you could have. I went to a cold beach, so cold could be changed, and the word nice. I went to a chilly beach. I went to a... remember, it's got to be the opposite of cold. Not the opposite of cold, the same as cold. I went to a freezing beach and had a... synonym of nice would be great, fantastic, amazing, super, a glorious time, okay? And then it says, as much as I was cold, I was happy, but my bad sister made me sad. She wouldn't share her sweets. Now, so there's quite a few words to change there. You got cold, nice, cold, happy, mad, sad. And with that last sentence, I was wondering if you could add in a adjective, make it a bit more exciting. Can you make it a bit more exciting, that last sentence? If you get there. Okay? So, rewrite the sentence using a range of exciting synonyms. Remember, synonym means the same as that. So, it's the same word. For example, cold, you're then going to use chilly, freezing. Okay? It wouldn't be the opposite. It's not an antonym. It's not the opposite. It's the same. Okay? And then for that last sentence, she wouldn't share her sweets. Can you make it more exciting by adding in an adjective? You ready? I'm going to give you a bit more time to get that done. Write it out on your whiteboard, on your piece of paper. Off you go. Oh yeah. Brilliant stuff. I'm working really hard. I hope you're working hard too. Keep going. Get that sentence written down. Change some of the words for those exciting synonyms. I'm going to keep working out. Keep working hard. Ten seconds. Oh yeah, yeah! I'm a pirate now. Woohoo! Awesome. Actually, it looks more like a swimming cap. Anyway, awesome stuff. Well done, everybody. Well done. I hope you got some fantastic synonyms in there. I wonder which ones you went for. We went on a cold beach and I had a nice time. I'll tell you what you can do. Why don't you share your work with me today? Send it to the Shed School. Take a photo. It's Friday. Why not? Take a photo. Send it to me. I would love to see your rewritten sentences and what synonyms you have added in. I bet they're awesome. I bet they're really exciting. I bet I can't wait. Super. Oh, somebody's wrote on already. We went to a chilly beach. And I was excited and we had an excellent time. Very good. I was excited, but my naughty sister made me mad. Good. She wouldn't share any of her sweets. Abigail, that is lovely. Abigail and Mummy, brilliant stuff. Lovely work. Really well done. Chloe K's done this one, so we went to on a chilly beach and I had a fantastic time. As much as I was freezing, I was content. Good word. Nice. You can be content. It's a good one. I was content. Then she's got but my naughty sister made me disappointed. Oh yeah, made me disappointed. I was disappointed in my sister. Yeah, I really like that. Lovely. Loving the enroll. Thank you so much. The mac and roll. The mac and roll. Thank you. I thought you'd like that one. The ball was on the line. I'm not going to do that accent or impression, but thank you. Thanks, Oliver. Thanks, buddy. Cheers, mate. Right, well, that's all we've got time for today. I know. Oh, marshmallow cups all round. Marshmallow cups. Oh, hang on a minute. It's not all we've got. We've still got a little bit of phonics to do. I forgot about phonics. Let's do a little bit of phonics. Can we do a little bit of phonics? Yeah, let's do a little bit of phonics. Just a little bit, just to see us through, right to the end. We might as well. We're here. We might as well. Phonics. Awesome. Let's do a little bit of phonics now. Like, we're going to be quick. It's not going to take too long. Nice bit of rounding up the lessons today. We're going to do a little bit of phonics, okay? A little bit of phonics. Okay, today our lovely sound is as follows. Our sound is this one. You may have seen this before. It's called AE. It's a split diagraph. What does that mean? Well, a split diagraph means it's a split sound. It's a split sound. Can you see there's that little dash in the middle? And what it is an A and an E. And when they're together in a word, when the E is at the end, the A holds hands with the E. They hold hands because they're best friends. They are best buddies. But the teacher has separated them. They have moved them apart because they're very, very naughty. But when they are together, that A isn't an A anymore. It makes the sound of A. Can you say that? A.
A.
A. A. So our sound today, when you see the A and an E, the split diagraph, the sound is A. Okay? A. Now, the only way we really find that one out is when we are reading words. You look all the way across and you see the E at the end and then go, hang on a minute, that A is not an A, it's an A, okay? Let's see how many words we can choose today to sound out and to see if we can spot that sound. Okay, you ready? Oh, some people are quicker than I am. You ready? First one, hands up then, guys. So put your hands up in front of you like this. We're going to stamp on the sounds and listen to how many sounds we can hear and then work out how many letters. Okay, you ready? First one. Ache. Make. Your go. Awesome. How many sounds can you hear, guys? How many sounds can you hear in that? There's 3, isn't there? Ache. 3 sounds. Now, m, a, k. Make. There's our split diagraph in the middle. There's that A in the middle, holding hands with the E to make it the A and A. Make. Make. Now we don't pronounce the E. The E is silent at the end, okay? Because when they're together, they just make that A, make that A sound, okay? Next one. Okay, you ready? Hands up. We're going to sound it out, then you're going to go. Okay, ready? Next one. Ache. Cake. You'll go. Super. How many sounds can you hear, guys? Excellent. 3 sounds, isn't there? K, A, K. Oh, there's the E at the end, which means it's got to be a split diagraph. A, cake. Awesome. Okay, you ready? Next one. Next one. Ache, awake. You'll go. I'm going to do that once more just to make sure I've got all those sounds correct. Okay, you ready? My go. Awake. Oh, hang on. Awake. 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 Okay? Awake. Awake. How many sounds can you hear, guys? I hope you sounded it out better than I did. Oh. Awake. Okay, that's rubbish. Awake. Okay, quite a tricky one, that. Awake. Awake. That A in the middle there, isn't it? Awake. You could just have wake, couldn't you? Wake. Wake up. But now I am awake. Awake. Lovely. 4 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 letters. Okay, last one today then, guys. Last one. You're doing a fantastic job. I'm really impressed. Let's do our last one. Hands up. Stamp them out. It's going to be a long one. Okay, you ready? Ache. Pancake. You'll go. Oh my word, that's huge. Let's go once more. Okay, you ready? I'm going to use both hands for this one. Okay, you ready? Ache. Pancake. Good. How many sounds are in there? That was crazy. That was huge. How many sounds? There was 6, wasn't there? Okay, ready? Pan. Split diagraph, cake. Wow, 6 sounds. Lovely, pancake. Oh, you can also, look, it's pan, cake. Because it's a cake you make in the pan. Hey! There we go. Sophia, you having pancakes this morning. What are the chances? Today is pancake. Pancake. Right, are you ready to spell some of these on your own? I hope you are. I hope you are. What do I look like? Crazy, crazy, crazy hair. Quite like this though. Ooh, 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 ayo, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, you ready? We're gonna sound them out. Well, you're gonna sound them out and then write them down. Okay. I'm gonna give you the 4 spellings. Give them a go. Okay. Give them a good try. All right. First one. Oh, first one. Make. Make. Can you write make for me, please? Make. Remember, sound it out. Sound it out. Make. Okay. Make. Make. Okay. Next one. Next one. Cake. 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 I've just realised I've chose 4 words that all have a k in. I should have done another one. Never mind. So we've got make, we've got cake. Next one, awake. Awake. Oh, bad neck. Awake. So we've got make, cake, awake. And your last one to write down for me is the word pancake. Pancake. Okay? Pancake. Remember, sound them out at home, okay? It's the best way to do it when we ever do any phonics, whenever you do any spelling, really, and you're not too sure how to spell it. Should be the first thing you go to every time. How can I sound it out? Perfect, done. Okay, the more you do that, the more it becomes second nature, the more then you don't really have to think about it, because you go, well, what? But you have to start somewhere, and that's where you start. You start by sounding out each word, each sound. So we've got make, cake, awake, and pancake. All done? Am I ready to show you? Shall we have a little look, see what we got? You ready? Let's have a little look. Well done, everybody. Our sound today was the A, split digraph, make, cake, awake, and pancake. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. Awesome sauce. Well done, everybody. Well done, well done, well done. Very good. How many did you get? Did you get 10 out of 10 today? Brilliant. Marshmallow claps all round. I love a clapping. I love a marshmallow clapping. Awesome. Well done, everybody. Super. Right, well, that's all we've got time for today's show. Big thanks to our partners, twinkle.co.uk. Do check them out, www.twinkle.co.uk. And Whiterose Maths, www.whiterosemaths.com. For all your educational needs, resources, everything. They've got loads of summer stuff. Do have a little look on their websites, guys. Perfect. Right, well, that's the end of our show today. We better have a chat with the main man himself before we go, because obviously that's it for today. It's Friday. We will see you again we won't see you tomorrow. We'll see you on Monday. Right, where is he? Let's get him out here. Come on then. Of course, it's the one, it's the only, it is Mr. Monkey! Hey!
We're going to the shed school. Shed school. We're going to the shed school.
Yeah.
Shed school. We're going to the shed school. Shed school.
Mr. Monkey? Mr. Monkey? Boys and girls, I don't know where Mr. Monkey is. His things are in here, but he's not in his box. I wonder where he's gone. Oh no! I hope he's not gone missing, because, of course, we've got the magic show this afternoon at 4 o'clock. The Mr. Monkey magic show at 4. What? But if he's not here, who's going to do the magic? Oh no, I don't know where he's gone. I hope nothing bad's happened to him. Oh no, well, I don't know what we're going to do now, because that's a bit of a disappointing end to the show, but we can't do, I don't know what to do. Mr. Monkey, where could he possibly be? Well, I'll tell you what, I hope he turns back up. Because otherwise I'm going to have to do the magic show on my own. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Right, well, boys and girls, it's a bit of a weird ending to today's show because Mr. Monkey's gone missing. I'll tell you what, if you want to find out where Mr. Monkey is, I suppose you're going to have to come back at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Of course, if you want to come and join us at 4 for the Mr. Monkey Magic Show, do head over to the website, www.theshedschool.co.uk. Click on the link and you can get your ticket for this afternoon's magic show on there. It starts at 4 o'clock. It's a private showing. Oh no, I'm going to have to go and see if I can find him. Hope he turns up. Oh no. Mr. Monkey, of all the days you could have disappeared on me, you've gone today. Oh no. Right, well, I'm going to have to go find him. Boys and girls, have a lovely weekend. I hope I can see you all at 4 today. Get your tickets from the website. And I'll see you later. Oh, Mr. Monkey, where have you gone? Oh no, what am I going to do? Right, I'm going to have to come up with some ideas. Right, bear with me. See you later, everybody.